Question 6. Find the torque of a force 7I plus 3J minus 5K about the origin. The force acts on the particle whose position vector is I minus J plus K. Okay, so you should understand torque is obtained by the scalar product of r bar position vector cross f bar. Okay, so you have your origin. There is some point P. Say force is in this direction and your position vector is in this direction. So R F. So this is some origin y and x axis. So torque about this point origin is given by this thing, R bar cross F bar. So it's as simple as calculating the vector product. Calculating the vector product. Okay, as we have seen in the class, maybe a bit detail of vector product as well. So we know A bar cross B bar, it is a vector and the direction is maybe you should keep your hand, like use your right hand thumb rule. When you start your fingers at A and curl them towards the vector B, the direction of thumb shows the direction of the vector A bar cross B bar. The direction. You get to know the direction. Find the magnitude of A bar cross B bar. Magnitude of A bar cross B bar is given by magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sine of angle between them. Okay, so this is how you calculate the magnitude of A bar cross B bar. Fine. Now if two vectors are given, A bar and B bar, how would get this vector A bar cross B bar? For that we use determinant in matrices, and you place I, you write immediately as soon as you calculate I J K. Say if A is A1I plus B1J plus C1K and B is A2I plus B2J plus C2K, you write vectors like this: A1, B1, C1. How I wrote? This is A1, B1, C1. Similarly, write A2 over here, A2, B2 over here, B2, and C2 over here. Once this is done, you find the determinant. So I into if you take I, B1C2 minus B2C1. This is what you write: I into B1C2 minus C2B1. Okay. Now let me take this. If you write J and that in that case you have to say, take this line. Now you should write A1C2 minus A2C1. Of course this will be minus J. Okay, minus J into A1C2 minus A2C1. After that Then you calculate, you write like this, cancel this line. This time it will be plus k into a1c2 minus a2c1. Get a1b2 minus a2b1. So this is the concept behind calculating the vector product. So this is how you get vector product. Okay, now let's dive into the problem. So now you have understood torque equals to R bar cross F bar, and it is given R bar is I minus j plus k, and F bar is 7i plus 3j minus 5k. So R bar cross F bar, to calculate what we have to do. So determinant, okay, maybe then you should write I j k. R vector you should write first, because you are calculating R bar cross F bar. If you are calculating F bar cross R bar, here we might have written F bar first. So now I will write R bar first. R1 minus 1 and 1 and 7 3 minus 1. Okay, so I into minus 1 into minus 5, this is what I am writing, minus 1 into minus 5 minus 1 into 3, so this becomes 5 minus 3. Now we write minus j into, you write these two things, minus j into 1 into minus 5 minus 7 into 1. Okay, 1 into minus 5 is minus 5, minus 7 into 1 is 7. Now we write plus k into 1 into 3 minus 7 into minus 1. So 1 into 3 is 3, minus 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. So this is how you get 2i cap plus 12j cap plus 10k cap. So the answer is